Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see next question, that is question number 4. PQR is a triangle right angled at P and M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR. Show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. So let us draw a suitable diagram. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. So here consider PQR a right angled triangle. PQR a right angled triangle where right angled at P. So here you can write Q here and R here, right? Where M is a point on QR, means here M lies somewhere here, but the condition is that PM is perpendicular to QR. Let us draw a perpendicular line. For example, this is perpendicular, here you can take M. PM is perpendicular to QR. So right here we need to show this. Let us write given triangle PQR is a right triangle in which angle P is equal to 90 degrees. Also PM is perpendicular to QR. Now here to prove. What to prove here? PM square is equal to QM into MR. QM into MR. Here we need to understand one thing carefully, that PM square I am going to write as PM into PM. PM square I am writing as PM into PM, right, is equal to QM into MR I am writing as it is. QM into MR, no change at all. Now here what I am going to do, MR I am moving from right hand side to left hand side, so it becomes a denominator. Same way PM here I am moving this PM to that side, so it will become their denominator. That means here what happens, PM this one by this MR becomes denominator. PM by MR is equal to, let us write QM as it is, by this PM when it goes that side, that will become denominator. Observe carefully, this one and this one, all the three are equal. If at all you want, you can check it, cross multiplication. PM into PM square is equal to QM into MR. That means this is our target. If we are able to prove this, then this problem will be completed, right? Now here observe what we need to prove. PM by MR. So these two are the sides of this triangle. This side QM by PM. These are the sides of this triangle. Clear? So here you just imagine that PQR, imagine PQR as father triangle. Then this PMQ will be the first son triangle and PMR is the second son triangle. Just imagine like that. This is the parental triangle, means father triangle. Bigger triangle QPR we can say, or PQR where angle P equal 90 degrees we can say, no problem. So here PQR is the father triangle, right? PMQ is the first son's triangle and PMR is the second son's triangle. Here I am writing for you for your understanding. This is the first son triangle, this is second son triangle, and this is the father triangle PQR. Now this problem is related between first son triangle to the second son triangle. Here you observe carefully, as I told you, PM by MR, these sides belong to second son. PM by QM by PM, these sides belong to first son. So this is the problem between both of these sons. That means here to say the ratios are equal, or the ratios are in proportion. We need to prove these two are similar. First son is similar to second son. If this is 90, this is also 90, but only with 90 and only Pm is common, with these two we can't say those are similar. This data is not sufficient to prove these two are similar. If we do not prove similar, then this one very difficult to get it. Are you following me? To get these ratios or the sides are in proportion, to say that we need to say these two triangles are similar. But you do remember that here in this triangle angle M is 90, in this triangle also angle M is 90, PM is common. Only by based on only both of them we can't say those are similar. That is the reason here what we need to do. First we take first son. Let us prove first son is similar to father. That is case 1. Case 2. Second son also similar to father. 2 cases over. Since first one and second one similar to the same father, that is the reason we can say these two are similar. Is it clear? So now let us follow the same. Target 1. Our target, first target is to prove first son is similar to father. Here father means I am taking here QPR triangle Q, actually son we want to say, right? Triangle, because it's good to say that son looks like father instead of saying father looks like son. Of course both are same, but here father is elder one, son is younger one, so better we can compare son with the father. That's why I'm writing first PMQ triangle. PMQ is similar to triangle QPR. QPR. This is the target now we are going to achieve. Let us see how to prove this. So let us separate the triangles. First one, first son, smaller one, and father is a bigger one. Now just observe. Imagine yourself that you are roaming in these triangles, first triangle and full triangle, right? So first triangle is what? PMQ. You are covering this part of angle P, this part of angle M, but full angle Q, right? In QPR also QPR, full angle Q is covered in both. Observe carefully. Here in QPR you are covering angle P, but that angle P completely not covered in the first son. Angle R you covered, but that angle R is not there in the first son. What is there common for first son and father? Only angle Q is common. Which is common? That can be written up, right? So here we can write angle Q is equal to angle Q. This is common since it is common angle. It is common. These are pair of angles. So here among PMQ I gave the place for Q. In QPR also I gave the place for Q. Now here in this first son angle M is 90. So here I am giving angle M, whereas in father angle P is 90. So here let us mention that angle M is equal to angle P is equal to 90 degrees each. This can be taken as another pair of angles. Here in PMQ, Q and M given places where P is not given, let us write P here. Same way in QPR, here we can write R, right? So clearly by AES similarity criterion, we can say that triangle PMQ is similar to triangle QPR, right? First son, father over. Let us enter the target to second son and father. Triangle, what is second son? RMP. Triangle RMP should be similar to triangle RPQ, right? This is what our second target. For this again I am going to compare both the triangles. In this you see angle M is 90. Here you see when you move in RMP you move, and RPQ where you are covering angle R completely. Clear? This angle R you are covering completely. In RMP again you revolve RMP. Part of M is covered, part of P is covered. Whereas in RPQ, this part full P we are covering, whereas that is not covered in second sun. Angle Q is covered, but not at all there in second sun. That's why here we are covering only angle R. Let us write angle R is equal to angle R. This is common angle, right? And here second sun angle M is 90, whereas father angle P is 90 degrees each. This is another pair of angles. So we can write by AA similarity criterion, we can say the triangle RMP similar to triangle RPQ. It also can be said as, let us write here this as PMR, triangle PMR similar to triangle, let us change this place as Q and R, QRP, both are same, QPR. Just here P and R I am changing because angle at M is 90, that I am keeping in the middle. Just R and Q I am interchanging. Angle at P is 90, I am maintaining the same. So here this is also first son and father, second son and father only, right? So these two are similar, here these two are similar, right? Why did I change? Just observe, PMQ similar to QPR, same QPR is similar to PMR. For showing that these two triangles are equal, father triangle equal, just I tilted it. Just I replaced the places without affecting the problem. Right. Now here from 1 and 2, from target 1 and from target 2, or let us give some equations. This as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Right. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we can say that PMQ similar to QPR, PMR also similar to QPR. Two triangles are similar to the same triangle. Then definitely these two triangles are also similar. Let us write that clearly. Triangle PMQ is similar to triangle PMR. Right? Now here when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So let us write their corresponding sides are in proportional, or you can write they are in proportion. That means here let us consider their corresponding sides here. If at all you want, you can draw the triangles and separately can compare. If not, with the labeling also we can do, if we follow the labeling exactly. See here, let us let us draw the triangles. First one here, first triangle is QMP. Here I am taking QMP. This is similar to another sun is, second sun is PMR, where he is, here it is M, we can write, here we can write M, and here R and P. So now here, since their corresponding sides are proportional, let us take their corresponding sides. Here we can take PQ by RP, PQ by RP, or we can write PR also, is equal to PM by RM, PM by RM is equal to QM by PM, QM by PM. Here just observe what is required for us. PM by MR, nothing but RM, equal to QM by PM. This part is only required, right? So let us leave this ratio. So now here let us consider this. Now we will do cross multiplication. PM into PM is PM square, or we'll let one more step, PM into PM equal to QM into MR. So here QM into RM can witness MR also, QM into MR. Now here PM into PM is PM square is equal to QM into MR, QM into MR. Now here this is what we need to prove. So here we can write hence proved. Right, with this problem fourth one gets completed.